Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of Shia Online Quran Academy, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, hal yanzuruna mean they wait for. Do they wait for anything else? Illa mean except. An ya'tiyahumullahu that Allah should come to them. An ya'tiyahumullahu that Allah should come to them. Fi dhulalin in the shadows. Minal ghamami of the clouds. Wal malaikatu and the angels. Waqudiya al amru. Waqudiya will be decided. Amru and the matter. Al amru the matter. Wa mean and qudiya mean will be decided. Al amru the matter. Waqudiya al amru and the matter will be decided. Wa ila Allahi turja'ul umur. Wa ila Allahi and to Allah turja'ul return al umur all the matters. Sal mean ask. Bani mean the children is Israel of Israel. Bani Israel mean children of Israel. Come how many? Israel name of Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam. Come how many? Atainahum we gave them min ayatim bayyinatin of clear signs. Waman yubaddil and whoever change ni'matallahi mean the favor of Allah. Ni'matallahi mean favor of Allah. The favor of Allah. Mem ba'di ma after ja'athu it has come to him. Fa inna Allah then indeed Allah shadidul means severe al iqab in punishment. Zuyyina is beautified lillazina for those who kafaru disbelieved. Al hayatu the life ad dunya of the world. Wayaskharuna and the scoff min alladhina amanu mean those who believed. Walladhina taqaw and those who nattaqaw became pious. Fawqahum will be above them. Yawma on the day al-qiyamati of resurrection. Wallahu and Allah yarzuqu grants provides man yasha'u whom he wills bighairi mean without hisab measure. Yes, dear students, try to understand. Wallahu yarzuqu man yasha'u bighairi hisab, and Allah grants provides to whom he wills without measure. Dear students, remember it and try to understand and write down your lessons and send us before coming class tomorrow. Inshallah, we will check your homework. Mu'minin and Mu'minat, we are providing online Quran classes. If someone wants to take online Quran classes, they can contact us. Jazakallah fi amanillah.